Everything you know is in your mind.
Sirisha, we have done so much work on spoken English, English for competitive examinations, and for officers, people who are going to become officers, and all this. Today, what we do, word power episode 2. Okay? Word power episode 2. In this word power episode 2, most of the words you come across in the field of acting. Okay? So the words we use in the field of acting, which are also used in general line. But here we are learning words. Word by word we learn. Okay? Right? Word by word we learn. These are very, very important words in English language. If you learn these words, you will do so much in English language. Okay? Now let us start the words and their meanings. Why they are useful in society, in employment, in education, in the hospitality industry, wherever, film industry, wherever. These words are generally used. So, Sirisha, so you just to listen these words, you understand, and the audience also will understand. Okay? Because these are very useful words. To prepare these words, I have taken 2 months time. Why I took? Only selective words to the audience. Be they IAS officers, IPS officers, people preparing for civil services, state services, central services, or in employment, or in film industry, in software, wherever they are going. For all of them, I have selected this select vocabulary for them. It is episode 2 in word power. Let us start now. Sirisha, ready?
Yeah.
Exclaim. Exclaim means EXCLAIM. Exclaim means declare. Exclaim means what?
Declare.
Declare. Cry out suddenly. Exclaim means cry out suddenly. Tell.
Cry out suddenly.
Suddenly. Right. Fantasy. FANTASY. Fantasy means imagination. What is meant by fantasy?
Imagination.
Imagination. Tell again.
Imagination.
Imagination. Adulation. ADULATION. Adulation means praise. Adulation means
Prize.
praise. Limelight. LIMELIGHT. Limelight means the focus of public attention. The focus of public attention is called limelight. One day you need to come to limelight in film acting. One day Mr. Nagul has to come to limelight in his direction field. Okay. Any person in the world has to come to limelight in the life. Okay. If you are going somewhere, okay, oh Sirisha coming, she acted in that film, like that, people have to feel. That's what limelight is. Limelight. Gratify means giving satisfaction. Gratify means
Satisfaction.
giving satisfaction. Startle means shock. Startle means
Shock.
shock. Formidable. FORMIDABLE. Formidable means capable. Formidable means
Capable.
capable. Exaltation. EXALTATION. exaltation means extreme happiness. Exaltation means extreme happiness. Dismay, D-I-S-M-A-Y, dismay means shock. Dismay means shock. Recapture, R-E-C-A-P-T-U-R-E, recapture means recover. Recapture means recover. Recapture means recover. One more meaning, act of retaking. In the film shooting, director says retake. Act of retaking is also called recapture. Camera captures, no? Camera captures. That is why we call it recapture, act of retake. Dazzle, D-A-Z-Z-L-E, dazzle. Dazzle means glare. Dazzle means glare. Huskiness, H-U-S-K-I-N-E-S-S, huskiness. Huskiness means horse. Huskiness means horse. H-O-A-R-S-E, horse. Huskiness means horse. Means a throaty harshness. Hey! That's called huskiness. A throaty harshness. Okay? That is huskiness. Jerky, J-E-R-K-Y, jerky. Abrupt starts and stops. Stopping and starting and stopping is called jerkiness. So in film direction the word is there? Jerkiness. Okay? Jerky. Jerky means abrupt starts and stops. That's called jerky. In film direction they use that word. In film acting they use that word. Whereof, W-E-A-R, where, O-F-F, off. Whereof. Whereof means fade. Whereof means fade. Lose effectiveness. When there is no pep in the scene, in the acting, director will say, no. This you don't do that. Whereof. The scene is worn off, director will say. So whereof means lose effectiveness. Fade. Interplay. I-N-T-E-R-P-L-A-Y. Interplay means the way in which two or more things have an effect on each other. Two or more things having effect on each other is called interplay. It's called interplay. Subtle, S-U-B-T-L-E, subtle means fine or delicate. Subtle means fine or delicate. Offbeat, O-F-F, off, B-E-A-T, beat. Offbeat means not routine. Routine గా కాకుండా కొత్తదనంగా తీసే సినిమాని ఆఫ్ బీట్ సినిమా అని చెప్పంటాం. ఓకే, ఆఫ్ బీట్. స్వాంప్, SWAMP, swamp means inundate. Swamp means inundate. Walk through, WALK, walk, THROUGH, through. Walk through means rehearse a play, a drama, a film. Okay, anything rehearsal is there, no? That rehearsal is called walk through. Before any film goes on sets, actually there should be walk through. Walk through means rehearsal. Rehearsing a play. Overly, O-V-E-R-L-Y, overly means excessively. Overly means excessively. Sway, S-W-A-Y, sway means influence. Sway means influence. Influence means influencing somebody. having an effect on somebody, having power on somebody. That's called influencing. Underplaying, underplaying. Underplaying means to act a role with a subdued force. If any role given to an actor in a film, in film shooting, if the role is acting down, not actually as per the director's wish, director's vision, that's called he is subduing his role, means he is underplaying his role. For example, there was a film, Telugu film, Sirisha, there was a Telugu film. That film, I think one film that is Nizam. Nizam, that the name of the title is, the title of the film is Nizam. In that film, Murali Mohan acted as police officer. Murali Mohan. Teja was director. Dharma Teja was director. Murali Mohan acted. So, they saw all the film before releasing. Murali Mohan underplayed. Murali Mohan underplayed the role of the police officer. That is why all that the director removed and employed that fellow. Who is that fellow? That villain, Prakash Raj. So he whole thing he acted. So the Murali Mohan portion, whatever is there, they removed and added Prakash Raj, because Murali Mohan underplayed the police officer character. That's what underplaying is in film language. Blur, P-L-U-R, blur. Blur is a verb. Blur is verb. This conjugation is blur, blurred, blurred. Blurred means blurred vision, unable to see. That's called blurring. In film also, sometimes blurring will be there. What will be there, Mr. Nagul? Blurring. Oh, blur came. So then you remove and you put the right one. That's called blurring. Fiddling, F-I-D-L-L-I-N-G. Fiddling. Fiddling means petty. Fiddling means petty. Unintelligible, U-N-I-N-T-E-L-L-I-G-I-B-L-E. Unintelligible means unable to read, impossible to understand. Impossible to understand. That's called unintelligible. See, whatever is written, so it is unintelligible. I am not able to understand. During that time, we use the word unintelligible. Inaudible, I-N-A-U-D-I-B-L-E. Inaudible means unable to hear. What we can't hear, what we can't listen, that is called inaudible. Inaudible. Artless, A-R-T-L-E-S-S. Artless, without deception. When there is no cheating, no deception, no cheating, it's called artless. Okay? Our film production company named Konapareddy Movies, our film production company, it is an artless company. No cheating, no deception here. Okay? Artless means that is the meaning. Fluke, F-L-U-K-E. Fluke means chance, accident. Just like that something happens. That's called fluke. Say
Fluke.
fluke. Stand out. S-T-A-N-D. Stand. O-U-T. Out. Stand out means exceptionally good. Exceptionally good. Katama Rayudu stands out in film editing. Means exceptionally Katama Rayudu is a good film editor. That's called stand out. You need to stand out. Stand out means you need to stand out. Co-artists are there. If you are performing better than them, that means you are standing out the other artists. Distract, D-I-S-T-R-A-C-T. Distract means divert. Poise, P-O-I-S-E. Poise. Poise means equilibrium. Poise means equilibrium. See, equilibrium, poise, we need to understand here. When acting, when acting, you are acting, I am acting, or somebody is acting. When somebody is acting, you need to maintain poise. You need to maintain equilibrium. That means your acting level should be that of the director requirement. Director wanted you to do something with you. Okay. Director wanted to do something with you. Okay. So that time you should not overplay, you should not underplay. You need to play as per the director's wish, as per director's vision. That is called, what we call it, poise. Poise means equilibrium. Okay.